Huckleberry presents How to Connect MetaMask to Moonriver Network. There are two ways to connect to the Moonriver Network. First way, automatic. Go to the huckleberry.finance and the site will automatically request a connection to the Moonriver Network. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. That's all now. The Moonriver Network is configured and in your MetaMask wallet. Second way, manual. Enter your MetaMask. Press Network Selection. Click the Add Network button and enter the data that we left in the description for this video. Then press the Save button. That's all. Now you have the Moonriver Network in your MetaMask. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with Huckleberry. Huckleberry. Let the river guide you.